Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, fan, RJ45 door, subwoofer, display panel assembly, system board, and left speaker. Removal: remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the card reader board to the top cover. Remove the card reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the fingerprint reader board bracket. Lift the card reader board out from underneath the retention tabs and off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Place the card reader board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the card reader board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the card reader board onto the alignment pins and under the retention tabs on the top cover. Replace the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the card reader board to the top cover. Press down on the card reader board ribbon cable to adhere it to the fingerprint reader board bracket.